Are you looking to spruce up your living space without breaking the bank? Look no further. We have compiled a list of 10 genius DIY home decor hacks that will give your home an incredible makeover, all on a shoestring budget. Get ready to be amazed. 1. Thrift store treasures. Instead of splurging on expensive decor items, head to your local thrift store. You'll find unique pieces that can be transformed with a fresh coat of paint or some creative DIY magic. 2. Vinyl wall decals. Give your walls a stylish upgrade with vinyl decals. They are affordable, versatile, and easy to apply. You can choose from a wide variety of designs and patterns to instantly transform any room. 3. Repurposed mason jars. Don't throw away those empty mason jars. They can be transformed into charming candle holders, vases, or even storage containers. Simply add a coat of paint, some decorative elements, and you've got yourself a budget-friendly home decor piece. 4. DIY wall art. Create your own unique artwork by repurposing old frames, fabric remnants, or even wallpaper. The possibilities are endless, and you'll have a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that reflects your personal style. 5. Painted furniture. Give new life to old furniture by painting it in a bold color or distressing it for a vintage look. A little bit of paint can go a long way in transforming a tired piece into a statement piece. 6. Upcycled bookshelves. If you have old wooden crates lying around, stack them up and turn them into rustic bookshelves. This eco-friendly DIY project adds character to any room and provides extra storage space. 7. DIY throw pillows. Revamp your living room or bedroom by making your own throw pillows. All you need is some fabric, a sewing machine, or fabric glue, and a little bit of creativity. Mix and match patterns and colors to create a personalized touch. 8. Gallery wall. Create a stunning gallery wall using inexpensive frames and family photos, inspirational quotes, or even postcards. This DIY decor hack instantly adds personality and visual interest to any space. 9. Repainted front door. Give your home's entrance a fresh look by repainting your front door. Choose a bold color that complements your home's exterior, and you'll be amazed at the instant curb appeal it adds. 10. DIY planters. Add a touch of greenery to your home by making your own planters. Upcycle old tin cans, mason jars, or wooden boxes for a budget-friendly and eco-conscious way to display your favorite plants. We hope these 10 genius DIY home decor hacks have inspired you to transform your living space without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, where we share even more budget-friendly home decor ideas and inspiration. Subscribe now and stay tuned for unbelievable results. Thanks for watching.